What's up, Polonian business builders, and welcome to
The Bees Tech Talks. Yes, we are finally here. This is the Bees Tech Talks, the official podcast of St. Paul University Dumaguete College of Business and Information Technology.
your News to Go podcast. We're talking about student life, career tips, tech trends, business insights, and everything in between. Hi there, my name is Joaquin Adrian Sibo.
And hello, I am Laikame Villavestre. Today, we are not just launching a podcast. We're building a space where CBIT students can learn, connect, and get inspired. So buckle up because this is just the beginning.
That's right, hindi lang basta-basta na podcast mga kabistek. This is
Of
for you,
course.
our CBIT community, whether you're a first-year student figuring things out, a senior gearing up for the real world, or somewhere in between. This podcast is here to make college life a little more exciting and insightful.
And let's be real, we all need that. Kay dili lalim ang college life, especially when you're juggling exams, org works, deadlines, social life, and of course, sleep, or the lack of it, diba?
And if you're looking for something fun, relatable, and actually useful, you're in the right place.
We have so many exciting episodes coming up, like industry insights, guest speakers, student stories, and of course, some fun segments to keep things lively.
But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's start with the basics. Also during CPIT life.
Of course, syempre, we all know that CBIT is our college. But have you ever thought about what it really stands for?
I think CBIT is more than just a department. It's a training ground for future business leaders, tech innovators, finance experts, and hospitality professionals. It is where we turn knowledge into real-world action and prepare life after college.
That's right. CBIT is home to 4 major programs. First, Business Administration for future entrepreneurs and industry leaders, Information Technology for the tech geniuses, Accountancy and Management Accounting for those who love financial strategy and problem solving, and lastly, Hospitality and Tourism Management for the game changers in travel and service industries.
But here's the thing. CBIT isn't just about earning a degree. It's about gaining hands-on experience, building connections, and preparing for real challenges in the world beyond college.
And that's exactly why we started the BizTech Talks.
Yes.
This is not just another podcast. It's a space for real talk about what matters to most of us as CBIT students.
Think of this as your study break with a purpose. We're being teachers, alumni, and industry experts to share insights, stories, or maybe even a few secrets to success.
Wow! And we'll be featuring student stories, hot topics, and even some fun segments to keep things lively. Expect interviews with inspiring guests, deep dives into industry trends, and maybe perhaps a few surprises along the way.
But hey, we don't want this to be a one-way conversation. We want you to be part of the BizTech community.
Got a topic in mind? A question that's been bugging you? A guest you'd love to hear from? Let us know.
Follow us for updates, sneak peeks, and chances to be featured in future episodes. That's the wrap. This is just the beginning. We have so much more coming your way.
This is the BizTech Talks, where business and technology meet and where your voice matters. See you in the next one!
Adios, guys.